Khao Sok is a dream destination for nature lovers. In this video, I'm gonna show you the best activities you can do in the park.
Okay. Let's go.
Let's go!
Okay.
The first activity I'm gonna show you is actually my favorite. It's the night safari. During this tour, you will be given a flashlight and the guides will help you spot the best animals. And if you are wondering, yes, some of the animals are poisonous. I come from France. Where are you from?
Thailand.
From Thailand.
Yeah.
Okay. How long you've been doing the guide here for the safari? 3 years.
Yeah.
Okay. You happy? It's nice. It's a nice job, no? We saw a snake, we saw spiders, scorpions. There's a lot of things to see here. Guys, I had a lot of fun. I saw so many things, snakes, scorpions, spiders. Honestly, such a cool experience. It's only 2 hours. The trail is really easy and the guides are awesome. I don't know even if you can see me, but yeah, that was cool. Next activity is the famous Cheow Lan Lake boat tour. You have to know that the entrance of the boat tour is actually located 1.5 hours away from Khao Sok village, where my accommodation was. Unfortunately, on that day it was pouring rain, even inside the boat. But still, the views are spectacular. As part of the full day boat tour, you stop at a cave. The cave is actually pretty small and it gets very crowded. That was a non-event. We also went for a small walk in the jungle. I can hear a lot of noises, like maybe elephant. It's cool. Afterwards, we finally stopped for lunch in the location where actually you have the floating bungalows where you can stay overnight also. Here you can swim and also do some kayaking. On our way back to the pier, we stopped at the avatar looking spot. Overall, the full day boat tour was really nice, but staying overnight in the bungalow would be a stretch for me. Last stop is the elephant sanctuary. Here you can feed and interact with two elephants rescued from one a circus and the other one a wood factory.
Zapytaj go. No to widzi, który pewnie też zjada, nie?
You can feel the hair. What about your experience, guys, today?
Was very nice.
Yeah.
We fed Olivier and two big elephants. Olivier ate the most.
He's a small elephant.
Yeah, the small elephant. He didn't care about them that much, but his parents enjoyed it.
So it's 500 baht for 40-minute interaction with the elephants. You can feed them, touch them. It's nice. It's a nice experience. And that's the end of the video. I would highly recommend you to visit Khao Sok and to stay in the village because there's so many things to do and it's actually closer to the night safari and to the elephant sanctuary. I hope you guys liked the video and see you in the next one.